Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, we've got some white bread, some Havarti cheese, my favorite as you know, some pickles, some green olives, these guys that I took and I chopped up, mayo, mustard. It's a fast, simple, and easy sandwich. Seriously, you can make this in your sleep. And I'm gonna take a nap right before I make it. Just kidding. This is gonna be a killer diller fun sandwich to make. I'm putting this baby together right now. Check it out. Okay, just out of the toaster, still warm. I'm gonna put a little mustard on one side. Get that cheese right there so it stays warm. Do a flipperoo, you know how to do it. Let's get the mayo on the other side. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a delicious sandwich. Do the same thing, take it and do the old flip. On the mayo side, I'm gonna put all those gorgeous green olives. The pickles go on the mustard side, just like this. Now the old flipperoo. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Press-a-roo, do the old slice. A-roo. Oh, I think I cut my board. Here's the reveal. Close-up coming up. There's the close-up of that pickle, green olive, and cheese sandwich. Let's see if it's killer. Oh, it looks killer, but let's see if it's killer diller. Oh, And the mustard and pickle slapped me on this cheek. The olives and mayo got me on the other side, but the cheese came in and mellowed everybody out. One more bite. That's a sweet babu if I ever saw one. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to the YouTube channel by the same name and tell people about Live Life 365. You should, because everyone who comes here loves it. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I like it. He snuck on the mustard side because these are things that happen to people. Oh, very tangy, but delicious. Sometimes they don't come back though. They hear about how they feel about Trump. Oh, it upsets them. It upsets me too. Well, that was lunch today. Goodbye.